Oh my gosh, this is as good as it's gonna get. Good morning. First of all, my lips are literally humongous right now because they're so swollen and chapped. Like, they literally hurt so bad, but they low-key look kind of good, so am I complaining? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, May 3rd. And I'm going to be college touring Colorado State University today. My parents are asleep right now in the room down the hall. But this is our beautiful loft that we're staying in. So cute. I'm obsessed with it. I could literally see myself living here. And for breakfast today, I just have some fresh fruit and then a scone, a very big scone. Oh, and then we can't forget the almond milk necessities. It has been a crazy past 48 hours. First day I was here, I was in the ER. We bought a car. I went to the ER. Nail salon. Had breakfast with this lady. Had dinner with this family. Went shopping, Whole Foods. Yeah, we've literally done so much in the past 48 hours. And I am so exhausted. Also, literally the reason why I'm the only one up right now is because I have to film a brand deal before we have to leave, which is in like an hour and a half. And this is the reality of working at 17 years old. Gotta wake up early and get stuff done. So it's literally snowing right now. I don't know if you guys can see this. And I literally, what did you say? And I thought Texas was bad with weather. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me getting ready. I've worn this outfit so many times, and honestly, I'm not even fazed by it at this point. I don't even think I showed you guys the room that I stayed in while we've been staying here, but it is so cute. When you walk in the door, this is what it looks like. And then there's this closet rack thing. And look at this view. It's right in the downtown of Old Colorado City. I curled my hair for the brand deal that I had to do. I'm obsessed with these curls, and I think right now we are going to finish getting ready to leave. Checkout is at 10. It's like 9:30 right now, so we gotta get moving. And yeah, we're gonna drive 2 hours to Fort Collins, Colorado. Probably get some lunch there or something. And look at the school. Hey guys, so we just ate at Qdoba. Is there food in my teeth? I don't want to talk and then there's like food. Okay, anyways, now we're gonna get some coffee. I'm gonna get a chai because I don't like coffee really, but I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts on the school. I like the campus. I really like this college town. It has a college feeling for sure. I feel like I didn't give it a big enough chance though, because obviously it's snowing and raining and it's freezing outside, so I didn't really get to like see it the way that I saw Boise State. Also, I really think that I'm comparing it a lot to Boise State. This is so freaking good. How is y'all's? Good. Good?
I got the cafe latte.
Dad, what did you get?
Regular black coffee.
Nice. Alley Cat Cafe is where this is from. Good morning. It's 7:30 right now on a Wednesday. I'm exhausted. Today for breakfast, I'm going to make some blueberry waffles. low-key kind of scared because I have a math test today and I have no idea what's going on or like how to even do it. So I tried studying last night, but I was like, I can't just, I don't even know. The day has literally flown by so fast. Couple days later, I'm back in Texas, actually on my way to school right now. For anyone wondering, this is what my outfit looks like. White polo, blue skirt, and then I put my hair in this like headband thing. Hold on. But before I go to school, I'm gonna run by UPS and drop off 2 huge bags full of Poshmark clothes. I've been getting really serious about that, cleaning out my closet, trying to just not feel so cluttered all the time because I have so many clothes that I don't wear. If y'all want to check out my Poshmark, I'll leave it in the description. I think I always have it in the description. I did a workout this morning and I feel really good. I had a really good breakfast as well. Hey guys, literally backed up with no hands. Maddie and I are both done with school. Maddie, tell them what you did at school today. Your very short day.
It was definitely this one that we had.
Dude, I would not have drinking pineapple, I'm telling you.
Well, I had the history star, and then when like you were done, you could leave. Like we didn't have to wait for everyone because no one was at school today except the juniors. And so I got home at 11:30 because after I was done, I went and got lunch and then went home.
They had a very easy day. My day literally felt like the longest day ever. Hold on, please don't fall here. It literally felt so long, and Maddie and I always hang out anyways after school. So we're gonna go out to dinner tonight right now because why not, you know? So we're gonna go to this place near us. It's called The League and they have super good food.
Cool, I'll take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog.
My mom just made me this amazing acai smoothie and I wish you guys could taste it through the screen right now because it is so good. I'm wearing this super cute set from Princess Polly. Let me get up and show you. This is what she looks like. It's just this white short and then white top set. I'm gonna put on a little bit of concealer and then fill in my eyebrows. I mean, they're kind of already filled in right now, but yeah, and then I'm gonna go hang out with my friends and I will maybe vlog.